Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. I've got another base unit, a double base unit. So that's 1 meter wide to go next to this one to give me some more workbench space. And I got temporarily pulled out of the eaves some of these spare laminate boards that I'm going to use temporary as a worktop for it. So what I'm going to do now is put this together, and then we can put this up, move this down, and we'll have even more room for me to work on and to put the vacuum on before when I'm using it and stuff. So let's get this put together. There we go, one more unit put together in record time. It didn't actually take that long, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is position it over there. So I need to move some stuff around, excuse me. Move some stuff around and then get it in position. And there we go. So I've got a lot more workbench now to work on. That needs to be completely sorted out. I need to finish painting the walls. Move all that stuff, which is all boxes. Not too much, it's all that. Most of the tools and bits and bobs are now got all sorted away and underneath there in the units. Where the Dysons are over there, there's another row of like these units to go all the way along. So everything that's in the units, which is bags and more stuff, everything then can be stored away, and this will be a nice clear wall with just logos on it and painted white. So we get in there slowly and surely. You can see some of the old vacs there I need to repair. This one here, I don't think I'm going to be able to repair it, but I'm going to refurb it so it looks really nice. This one and this one there, I'm going to make one good one out of. This one, I've just ordered the bottom part for it, so that'll be fixed. And then these juniors here, I think there's another one as well. They again will go together to make one good vac, and then the other parts then I'll give away or throw away, or nobody wants them. So there we go, that is the process so far. So we got another bench together, we got a lot more workspace, a lot more work area for me to work on. It'll be really good. So yes, that's it so far. Okay, so now that's all done and dusted and put away, what I'm going to concentrate on now is this Miele C3 power line. This is the complete C3. This is the one that has had a brand new motor. It's had a brand new cord reel. I've put in a brand new charcoal filter, new bags, new filters, and completely cleaned out. So this one is going on eBay to sell. So what I need to do first of all, fantastic, is to give the plastic a little bit of a machine polish because it's a bit scratched in places and a bit rough. So what I'm going to do is give this a machine polish. So let me get all the stuff out. I've got some things here and I've got my polish here, which is the V36. I just need to get the rest of the bits all together and then I can get this polished. So I'll be back with you once I've got everything together. Okay, take out this. Pop in the polishing head. That's on. I've got the sponge here. That is just ever so slightly moistened. And I'm going to be careful obviously not to touch the lettering or anything, but I will skirt around it, but yes. So here we go, here's the polish. Pop my gloves on. I'm just going to start with a couple of dabs on here. And I'm going to start on this side. I'm just going to dab some on. Okay. Put a little dab more. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do now is spray on some of the Demon Shine to take the wax residue, or the residue off from the polishing, and just work your way around it and polish it up. Now the pad that I've used on this one is a very fine one. I just wanted to take some of the surface scratches off and just put some shine back into it. I wasn't looking to restore in the plastic completely back as if it was brand new, but this will improve the look of it, and it will also stay like this as well. The only thing you need to do is make sure that you remove the residue from the grooves. So I use the polish all over it as well, on the back and the underneath, to also help give it a bit of a polish up. Just to restore some of that brand new luster to it. This is going to be going on eBay later today. There we go, look at that now. Much better. Considering the state it was when I had it. It's now had a brand new motor, cord reel. Like I said, the filters all been replaced, so technically it is like a brand new machine. So finally, the last thing I'm going to do is I haven't used any of this yet. I bought it. It's Chemical Guys, and it's called Ultimate Glaze. So if I just take the wrapping off, give it a good shake up, and I'm going to put a little bit on my sponge. Smells nice. Just mush it into the sponge. Just rub some of this into it. Ooh. There we go, get some clean cloths. Just wipe it off. I think you'll agree that looks a lot better. And there we go. This one now is completely restored, thanks to Miele. There we go. Look at that. Like a Black Panther. Right, let me just plug it in for you. Ooh, without pulling it off the bench. There we go. Absolutely amazing. Right. Just finish wiping off any residue. So this was the main part of the video, was just to give this a little bit of a polish up before it goes on eBay, when I take some photographs of it in a bit and then pop it on eBay. Fantastic. So there we go. Thank you very much for joining me today. It was quite fun to actually get the second unit here on the bench up and running, so I've got a lot more room to do work on like this. It's going to make a big difference, I tell you. Especially with the other units behind me going to get done as well. I can store everything, bags, chemicals, rags, everything can be stored out the way. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe below for more videos. There's more videos coming up 3 times a week at least. Just can't get over the shine on that. Look at that. Raw, isn't it lovely? So please, yeah, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.